What are you up to today, Sarah?
Hi, we've got broad beans growing. So what I'm doing here is, before they get to the size where you can peel them and use them for habas con jamón or habas without jamón, you get the pod and you cut it into about 5 centimetre pieces like that. And then we're going to cook them, pod and all, in a casserole. And here if you want to come over, I'm just like frying up some onions just with a bit of olive oil. And then I'll fry the onions for a bit longer. And then add the pods and slowly cook them. And they go really nice and tender and they've got a good flavour.
How big are the actual beans in the pods at the moment?
If you have a look, they're sort of, this is one of like they're sort of really small like that.
They're about smaller than peas.
Yeah, half the size of peas really.
So this is for like, if you're a bit impatient to eat your habas or your broad beans.
Yeah.
You can start eating them before they've actually got beans in.
Yeah, and you cook the pods very slowly over about an hour and a half, something like that, until they're really soft.
Oh, so you put the pods in that with those onions?
Yeah, look.
Oh, great.
Here's the onions softened
Right.
here with a bit of salt. And I'm just going to put them in.
So you put them on a low heat for an hour and a half?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just toss them about.
But they do taste pretty good. And because they're so young and tender, they don't have any stringy bits in there.
Exactly, yeah.
Well.
And then I'll just put the lid on and stir them every 15 minutes and just check that I'll put the heat down as well.
So looking forward to that.
That's for lunch today.
Great. Bye. Sarah, what do you think of the broad beans in their pods?
The broad beans in their pods, las habas en sus vainas, son deliciosas.
Good. Laura, what do you think?
Sehr lekker. Very tasty.
Very tasty. Inge, what do you think?
Ja, ze zijn echt vol van smaak. Echt heel lekker.
Okay, great. Thank you.